The Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to attach a handle, or not a handle, but a strap on a lute harp. So I just got normally a guitar handle, so I'm just using it for the lute harp. I got a brown one, so it kind of matched. And then I got these two kind of strap looking things that are black that I'm gonna attach to the handle. We'll see if it works, so I'm gonna try right now. First, I'm gonna attach this this thing on the edge of the strap, attaching it like so, and then the strap I'm gonna attach here. Have it like this, and then I'm gonna attach this edge over here. This piece, now we got that part, and then we got this part. So now we got this part over here, and I'm gonna attach this part over here. Strap looks like it's a little bit awkward, but it keeps the lute harp from falling over, so it's like standing up a little bit. And this is the part, so it looks like this. So there's piece and this piece. So that's the whole strap. It's a DIY strap. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.